Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1959 Cadillac 62 Series, unrestored, fantastic condition. Appears to be original paint everywhere. It's 3 to 4 mils everywhere with the paint gauge on it. Could not find a spot that differed. Just fantastic car. Highly detailed. Just an amazing car. Just don't find them like this. Just in amazing condition. Paint is nice. This thing is this killer car. Laser straight. There it is. Just absolutely amazing car. You'll find about 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. We're in Fenton, Missouri, which is the suburbs of St. Louis. About 25-30 minutes from the International Airport, St. Louis International or Lambert. They're the same airport. If you'd like to fly in and check this out in person, we're more than happy to pick you up. Just forward us your itinerary. We'll pick you up and take you back to the airport. We'll take the vehicle out for a drive, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. If you'd like to pick up the phone, talk to somebody in person, my name is Mark. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have. You do not need to have all the money to purchase these cars. We have financing. If you want to pay for it, great. If you don't, we have financing. Obviously, credit is a factor, but usually 10% down. Great terms, great rates. Just a killer car. Just really nice condition. Appears to be everything original. Little patina there, but it's a 65-year-old car, 66-year-old car. All the trim, bright work on this car is nice. Everything appears to be original on it. Again, 314-346-6039. There's a little patina on that. It's original, still showing fantastic. Same with the rear bumper. There is a little patina on it, but they say they're only original ones. pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. There is an imperfection right there in the seat. Original interior. Super nice car. 62,055 miles showing. There's the dash, got a little sun warp to it. There's a little stain in the headline there. We're going to try to get that out. This is a 66-year-old car, standing tall. That's a boat horn. The clock does not work, and the factory clock does not work, and the radio does not work. We'll look into those. Can't guarantee. Sometimes you get lucky, it's a fuse, little wiring issue, but we will look into that. Again, you can go to www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. Maybe about 100 pictures. Be more than happy to pick you up from the airport. Just forward us the itinerary. Maybe get lucky here. Pictures, I'll get a video, run the paint meter on it. I forgot to bring it up with us, showing you the originality of the paint. It's amazing. It's just like a time machine. You just don't find cars like this in this condition. But they're out there. They're usually not for sale. They're getting harder and harder to find. Again, 314-346-6039, www.westportautocenter.com. Fenton, Missouri, just out of St. Louis, Missouri, about 25 minutes from the airport. Thanks for watching.